I'll tell you what, Billie Starkz picked up a huge victory against Rachelle. Looking to continue that role this week.
Riveter.
Rachelle Riveter, competitor here in the Utah. Could it be Rachelle's night as Billie Starkz into the corner. Bit of a choke, very pleased with herself. And on last week's minion training, Caprice, it appeared Lexi Nair was sort of taking the minion training a little better. Oh, goodness. Wow, big close line there. Looking for the star 10, no one home.
That knee went right to the nose of Riveter.
Oh,
It's the star 10.
took star!
We went to the Philly Pizza Company and ordered time.
You better find the camera.
Wow, look at this! Locking in! That crossfit, wow!
The winner of this match by submission, Billie.